Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi, hindi naman ito personal reading, Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo lang siya sa Facebook. And yan, this is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, meron tayong TikTok. I-follow mo na lang din ako doon. Sa TikTok shop, may ma-avail kang bracelet na may kasama siyang astrological reading. Naka-promo siya ngayon for only $299, okay? Yung astrological reading na yon, compatibility nakalagay doon pero kung wala ka namang gustong ipa-compatibility reading, pwede naman yung sa sarili mo na lang. Okay? And then kung ano yung mga questions mo, pwede naman. Okay? Pwede rin may kinalaman sa future. We will read your astrology or yung pinaka birth chart mo. Okay, this is for fire sign, for fire sign. For fire sign. Okay, fire sign. Love, hammer, love call. Okay. Soulmate is here. Fire sign. What do we have here for fire sign, please? For fire sign, please. Okay. Engagement ring, healthy choices, clock, and the snake. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the passion. Nakakita ko ng dito. Love between sa inyo nitong person nito. You do love this person, itong person nito loves you. May mga na-partnership sa inyong dalawa. You are trying to rebuild or inaayos or i-build or ayusin ang connection maybe nitong person na ito kasi in the past pwede may mga challenges or transformation or maybe kumbaga may nagpagising sa'yo na parang ay wait lang, kailangan ko muna palang ayusin or i-rebuild kung ano yung meron sa inyo nito person, the communication, etc. Love call is here. So, you are expressing your love towards this person. You see this person as your soulmate and pwedeng nakikita mo na nagkakaroon ng growth sa'yo, nagiging maayos ka o yung buhay mo dahil sa pagmamahal mo dito sa person na to at pagmamahal niya sa'yo. So, maybe in the past, hindi mo kasi ipinakita, no? And, nagkaroon ng paghahanapan. Maybe may hinanap siya sa'yo or may hinanap ka sa kanya, etc. na nag-lead into sa hindi maganda, which is naka-apekto sa connection or sa relationship ninyo. Okay? And, but now, nakakita tayo ng parang pagbabalik nitong connection na maganda at nung emosyon para sa isa't isa. This person is being happier because of that. Because hindi nagiging toxic yung relationship ninyo, nagiging masaya siya ngayon. And there's another person, and I would say with a snake here, na pwedeng nagiging sagabal dito sa connection ninyo. Pero pwedeng nalayuan nyo na yun Nakikita natin na pwedeng ito ay a person in the past, itong person nito. And tinatry niya mag-move on doon. The love is here with the passion and the boat. So, yeah, this person is trying to move on from that past person. That could be his or her ex or maybe someone, no? Lalo na with the girl with the snake. Nakakita tayo ng hindi magandang the karmic relationship. So, this could be a person, could be his or her karma. But nakikita natin na nililet go or nilalayuan niya na itong person na ito. No? And maybe tinatry niyang i-rebuild yung connection na meron sa inyo. Okay? Tell me more for the sign of fire sign. Bakit bigla ako napakanta? Ba't bigla ako ganun. Natawa ako, nagre-reading nga pala ako, nawala sa loob ko. No? Pero, the song was like, and I was trying, ayan, to hold you, dying inside, I was dying inside, I don't know that song anyway. Hindi ko masyadong alam yung lyrics. Pero parang ang title yata yun is Dying Inside. So I don't know. So you do have your boat. Wait lang guys. Actually, upo ko. My boat is at the bottom of the deck. For fire sign, please. What do we have here for fire sign? Paradise, love. Yeah, there's a lot of love sa inyong dalawa. Girl talk is here. And you do have your passion. No? Diba? Kanina nasa side mo yung passion. And then ngayon sa side ng person na ito. So, I do see na yung connection ninyo ay nagbibigay ng trigger dito sa person ito. So, pwedeng never naman nawala yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. It's just that pwedeng may mga naging love affairs, kita tayo third party, na naging involved para minsan na siyang maghanap ng excitement, no? Na pwedeng nawala kasi yun sa inyo. The girl with the snake, I feel like, alam mo na yung mga kamalian nitong person na ito, but nakita natin yung acceptance mo. You know, this girl with the snake is this is you accepting the snake. This is you na parang, importante siya sa iyo napamahal na siya sa iyo. So, ano man yung kamalian niya, nakikita natin, tinatry mong i-accept yun, or na-accept mo na. With the ascending, you have learned a lot. Natutunan mo yung mga bagay-bagay na dati hindi mo naman alam, but because of this person, malaki din yung bagay na naitulong niya sa iyo. At may mga natutunan ka dahil sa kanya. The Phoenix is here, so yan. This is about the transformation. Gusto mo yung sarili mo dahil sa kung ano yung itinulong or itinuro niya sa'yo, or kung ano yung mga natutunan mo sa kanya, nagustuhan mo yon. So, somehow, kung may mga naging sagabal man dito sa connection na ito, hindi mo na masyadong iniintindi yun, or wala ka na masyadong pakialam doon. The way I see this is that mas focus ka na, or mas importante na sa'yo yung mga years, or yung pagsasama, or yung relationship ninyong dalawa. Okay? With regards to the past, you have already moved on or nagmo-move on ka na doon sa mga nangyari na yon. And what will happen in the future sa relationship ninyo for fire sign? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire sign, please. Para sa fire sign. In the near future, please, for fire sign. Mirrors, the Grim Reaper, self-indulgence, and the Runner. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the wedding rings. Okay. You do have your addiction, sunglasses, and kisses, lightning, and the dragonfly. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the twin flames, wedding rings. Ayan, wow. Actually, pareho kayo. May wedding rings dito. Dalawa yung nagpakita, which is in the future, nakikita natin, may mga bagay na itatry kontrolin itong person na ito, which is kaya niya yung kukontrolin because maybe yung respeto niya sa'yo is nandun, or maybe, there's this transformation na ginagawa yung person. Willing siya magbago. Willing siyang ayusin ang sarili niya for you. Kung ano man yung mga kamalian niya in the past, might mo nandun pa rin yung, natutokso, pero hindi niya na para ituloy. Kumbaga nandun yung pagbalik-balik tanaw sa nakaraan, pero hindi niya para ituloy ito. This person, there's a yin and yang energy sa inyo with the twin flame. You could be dealing with your twin flame, or you could just be married with the person na talagang kukumpleto sa'yo. And then this person, sa side mo naman, nakakita tayo ng transformation sa sarili mo na parang hindi mo nabalikan kung ano yung dating ikaw. The future says that you are focusing on yourself, you are learning to appreciate kung ano yung mga bagay na kaya mong gawin. Kasi na-realize mo, kaya mo naman talaga. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng taong ito para kayanin yung mga bagay na akala mo noon hindi mo kaya. And with the runner, I am seeing you, you are running away from being dependent, sabihin natin, sa connection na ito. You don't want to be dependent anymore. Gusto mo maging independent na. Which is okay lang yun. Maganda nga yun eh. Kasi might be in the past, siya yung nagko-control sa'yo, siya yung nagsasabi ka na dapat mong gawin, etc. But then in the future, you have your own galing na maipapalabas. Meron kang sariling desisyon na mailalabas. And that would help para mas lalong magkaroon ng pagbabago sa connection na ito. Kumbaga malaking tulong yun kasi may mga acknowledgement sa mga strength mo and maaaring mailabas or maipamalas mo ito. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.